¿Para qué me mires? I don't really know how long now.
So hello guys, we are back with another video. Here I present you quiz number 2 of oxidative phosphorylation. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to remain updated. Also like the video after watching it. Please follow us on TikTok and Instagram. Our handle is Dr. Buzz Lecture. So let's start today's MCQ and quiz. Here are some questions which will vanish your all queries regarding oxidative phosphorylation or electron transport chain. Let's move on to the first question. Electron transport chain increases or decreases the acidity of intermembrane space. As we know that in electron transport chain, hydrogen moves out of the complexes, so it increases the acidity of intermembrane space. The second question is, in electron transport chain complex 1, 3 and 4 generates which type of energy? So it is a difficult one. You should know that it generates potential energy. Third question is, the ultimate product of electron transport chain is, as we know that NADH and FADH2 molecule comes from different processes like glycolysis or Krebs cycle to electron transport chain to convert it into ATP. So the ultimate product which comes through is ATP. The fourth question is, NADH transfer is its electron to NADP. NADH comes to which complex? It comes to the first complex of electron transport chain. Likewise, there is another question, FADH2 transfer its electron to, so it is also simple that it transfer its electron to complex number 2. You are right. You are doing good. So the sixth question is, electron transport chain happens in, very tricky question, not again. It happens in intermembrane space of mitochondria. You should know this, that where in mitochondria, intermembrane space. So the seventh question is, coenzyme Q is also called. What is the second name of coenzyme Q? I hope you know it. Yes, you know it. It is ubiquinone. The eighth question is, the final electron acceptor of electron transport chain is, as we know there is only one molecule which accepts electron in electron transport chain, which is oxygen, and helps to convert it into water. The last question, but not the least, to form ATP, proton comes inside the cell through which gate it comes to the, not to the cell but intermembrane space of the mitochondria. It is also called complex number 5. It is ATP synthase. Hope your queries regarding this topic are little bit cleared. Let's go on to the pathway of electron transport chain. So firstly, there are two complexes, complex 1 and complex 2, which transfer electron from NADH and FADH2 to the coenzyme Q, which is also called ubiquinone, which gives electron to the complex 3. Complex 3 gives electron into the cytochrome C, and which gives to the complex 4, which is the last step of electron transport chain, and a phosphorylation start by the ATP synthase. So now let's move on to the MCQs. So here are some MCQs which is also important because it is also appeared in USMLE exams. I have shortened them and excluded the main question because description is too long. Oxidation of each NADH in electron transport chain produces how many ATPs? It is a simple question. NADH molecule produces 3 ATP. So the right answer is C. We should discuss other molecules which also converts into ATP. One is FADH2 and one is GTP. FADH2 molecule produces 2 ATP molecule, and GTP molecule produces 1 ATP molecule. These three products are also produced in Krebs cycle. So let's go on to the second question. Which of the following best describes the effect of carbon monoxide? This is very important question because there are some inhibitors which affects the performance of complexes, ATP synthase and many more. The right answer in it is D, which it is inhibits complex 4. So let's discuss one by one that which molecule inhibits other complexes. So complex 1 is inhibited by rotenone and barbiturates. Complex 2 is inhibited by malonate and oxaloacetate. Complex 3 is inhibited by antimycin A, and complex 4, as we know, that is inhibited by carbon monoxide and cyanide. So here were some important questions which you should must know to clear your basics and your advanced studies. Hope you have cleared your all queries. See you in next video with another quiz. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, please press the like button. I will come again with a new video. Till then, bye bye.
But give me readers. I don't really